Them, follow the star, yeah, you shall find them. Be so bad fast. If you hit your enemies try. If you're not a friend of me. What's up, pretty babies? Welcome or welcome back. So I guess y'all know what this video is all about by the title. So anyways, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I got this hair done. It was super easy, no stress at all. Like, it was literally very simple. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna be braiding my hair today because you know, going to braid your hair at a hair salon is pretty much expensive these days, and your girl does not have the kind of cash to spend. So the thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be braiding my hair. I mean, I've been wanting to do this like for a very long time, but I've been feeling super lazy to do that. But hopefully today I've got energy to do that. So because, like, you know, I got my braiding extension. This is the color I'm gonna be using. I think this is in the color 30 or something like that. This is from the Expression kind of color braiding hair. So I'm gonna be doing this one, and I've got my edge control and my combs. So the thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of my nails, because like I cannot braid my hair with these nails. So I mean, I'm not the professional, so get rid of the thumbnail, index, and middle finger, because those are the fingers that I work when braiding my hair. So so I'm just applying a bit of cream to my edges because they feel super dried, and I haven't actually been putting hair products on my hair.
I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shorty from go. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top of the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, that Andy, yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep up at it, cause I don't do the side. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it in me, you gon' do it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty from go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top of the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top. If I hit in front of that, she gon' hit the sidewalk. If she got a message with her, take a better mind off. Got a five in up on it, wild. And then they been begging for shit, style. Never keep my hoes about it. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. You know I take her slow when she ride. This nigga's all years old. Shawty know the drive it look like a tempo. Every time we kick it like tempo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor. Yeah. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like oh yeah. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the go. Drop that ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on these niggas no more. I've been in fiends, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, baby. Now you want to shoot with the head at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you right at the top. Before I done trying to fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have no babies.
Always felt like my vision been bigger than a bigger picture. Crazy how you gotta wait until it's dark out to see who really with you. Crazy how even when it miss you, shit'll come back around and get you. Crazy like all my niggas. Crazy like all my niggas. Remember I deleted all my other girls' numbers out the phone for you. Remember when you had to take.
So y'all, I'm done with my hair, and this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna go like curl these tips, and then I'm gonna put hot water. So I'm gonna be back.
Damn, I drove in the snow for you. Yeah, you probably don't remember half the shit a nigga did for you. Yeah, you ain't really fuck with me way back then, but how about now? Cause I'm up right now.
I love the curls because like this is exactly what I wanted. So I'm just gonna put like this band on it so it can stay super flat, because so it's gonna be very flat. So I'm just gonna put this band on it. I'm gonna sleep with the band on it.
Up right now. Oh, you thought you had it all figured out.
So this is what the hair looks like. I just kind of like did a messy bun on the hair because that is what I want. So because this is like gonna be like the default style for the hair, because I'm just always gonna have it in a bun like this, because you know it is a little bit scanty, and this is how I want the hair to always be on a bun. So yeah, so that is the style for this hair. So I'm super excited. I like the hair. It looks super simple and easy and cute. So I'm gonna have this hairstyle for 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna take it down. And that is because, you know, next month on the 2nd is gonna be my birthday. So I'm super excited. So I'm gonna vlog everything, so y'all stay tuned for that. Yeah, that is that. So guys, I'm just loving this hair. So I'm gonna show you what the back part of the hair looks like. So yeah, so that is it for this video. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned, because like I'm gonna see y'all on my next video. So yeah, bye, peace, we out.